So today we are doing just a small little scavenger hunt for Easter for the kids. We leave here from Amarillo in a few days and we're heading up to Utah and Arizona for a few weeks, so we're moving every couple days, so Easter Sunday will be a little more difficult to do it on, so we decided to go ahead and do it today. So we're going to let the kids find some eggs and get their Easter baskets. It's about 1, 2, 3, Lastly!
Hey y'all, we are living Lastly. Austin, Tara, Rudy, Arlo, and our 2 fur babies, Piper and Gertie. Last year in 2020, we sold everything to hit the road full-time in our 5th wheel. We are living light and loving life. Hi.
Hi.
Okay guys, so me and your dad and the Easter Bunny worked on something really special for you guys, okay? Are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna find an egg, okay? And you're gonna open that egg together. The key is teamwork, okay?
Okay.
Teamwork. So one egg, you're gonna open it together and it's gonna have a clue in it. And mommy and daddy will read the clue and you have to figure out where the next egg is. And we've got 6 eggs. And once you get to the final one, you get the big surprise. Does this sound fun?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Are you excited?
Well, I think we can do this. Yeah. High five.
Can y'all do a 1, 2, 3 team Lastly?
Yeah.
Bubba's working real hard on his shoes.
Yep.
Good job, bud.
Okay.
Do 1, 2, 3 Lastly's.
1, 2, 3. Lastly's.
Okay. See, here's egg number 1. Open it up.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
What does it say?
What's it say?
Okay. Where are our outdoor drinks kept?
I don't know.
Well, you gotta go find it. Where do
Think
you
about
think?
it. Where do we keep our outdoor drinks to keep them cold?
In the refrigerator.
Well, go
In the
check.
refrigerator where?
Outside.
Let's go check it. Come on. You think you got it right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Here.
Let's
Let's
see.
see. You did.
Go.
Okay, open it up.
What's it say?
Okay, don't let it blow away. Okay, this one says, okay, you ready? Here's clue number 2. Where can you swing and slide and have lots of fun?
The playground.
I don't know.
Let's go check it
You
out.
better bust it.
Right there.
Okay.
Go, buddy, go. To the
Watch
playground.
the
So we're currently chasing them down on clue
I'm
number
so out of breath and out
clue
of
number
shape.
3. So it's at the
They're so excited about this, you guys.
Yeah.
Such a cute and easy idea for the kids.
Uh-oh. Sissy found it. Okay, get out here.
Okay, come here together.
Let's see what it says.
Don't let it blow away. Okay. This one says, are you out of breath? Okay, where do you wear your floaties?
The pool.
Well, let's
Very
see.
good. All right, let's do it. Oh, I don't remember the code.
I don't either. Well, there's a bathroom code and they changed it and we don't remember it, so probably have to go back.
Oh,
Hang on.
0317.
Hang on. Wow.
Wow. Oh
She
my
got
God.
it.
I have a killer memory. I want Bubba to find one. Real good.
Arlo, come here. Arlo, come here.
Check the walls all over here.
So look all up in here. Come here.
around. Go
Come
behind
look.
the chair.
Come where I'm standing. And look, do you see one? Oh, he found it!
Oh, Sissy, you might need help reaching.
Can you get it, Sissy? You can knock it off if you want.
Okay.
There we go. And put that back.
Oh, good teamwork.
Good job. Let Bubba
Let
have
Bubba open one. Is it another clue? Oh, what's this one say?
Let me open it.
Okay.
And I'll give it to you after.
Okay. Ready? Are y'all listening?
Yeah.
This one says, what has a cowboy hat and mom tells you to ride your bike around him?
The cowboy!
Well, let's go see.
Right out of it.
He was running
Can
so
you put
fast.
these in your pocket?
He was running so fast that his shoe fell off.
Right clue?
Oh, there it is.
Where is it? I'll go around and get the cowboy. Okay. I think we're getting closer, guys. Ready?
I didn't put the stuff out.
No, I was.
Oh! Where do we pick up our packages from?
Dad, the office!
Okay.
Very good! Okay. Next.
Yeah, and we get a surprise at
Oh,
the
you do?
end.
What are you at?
Do you
What-
want to ask them maybe if they've...
They've seen an egg?
Have you seen the egg?
Does it look like this one?
Oh.
That's it!
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay, do you want to read the clue? Okay, what's this one gonna say?
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay, this one says, there's no place like home.
Home.
Oh.
Where do you think it is?
At our house.
I think you might be right.
All right.
Where's the final clue?
Our house.
Let's go. Let's go check it out. Wait for Mom. Okay, I'm out of breath.
Our house.
I'll hold the door, you go ahead.
Baby, the glue.
No, guys, look at the
Oh!
Pretty look.
Everyone had one of these too.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Did you get your high heels that you wanted?
Oh my God.
Show me.
Are you excited? Okay, so that was. Do you love it? Isn't that so?
What's that one? Ah, candy. Keep going.
Rainbow candy. I think that was super successful.
Yeah, that was cool. You know, 6 little stops. Short
Spinning
little
them around
video,
the
but
campground.
yeah, it was cool.
Yeah.
And like I said, we were
Other
doing it
than
a
us
little.
being out of shape.
Yeah, I had to run a little
It
bit,
was-
but
that was super cute. They were so excited the whole time. So, if you need any tips for just things to do with your kids,
Oh my
send them on little scavenger hunts to like look for stuff and just leave, even if it's just like a candy or something. That was really cool.
yep. Hope you enjoyed. See you later.